The biggest lie you're being told right now is that all you need is a good sales letter and you can peddle most anything online. False. If you don't have a product that your prospects would crawl across flaming hot coals for, then your business is dead before you even get started. And if you happen to eke out a sale but the product totally stinks, well, you can bet you'll get a ton of refunds and pissed off customers. So let's avoid that nightmare. What you need to do is create impressive, high-quality products that your prospects simply can't resist. Better yet, these products should be quick and easy to make, and you should be able to charge a premium price for them. Is it possible? You bet it is. I'm talking digital products like ebooks, videos, audios, webinars, apps, and similar products. These items are easy to create, easy to deliver, and easy to build a six-figure business with. Now, you've probably seen plenty of people struggling to build a digital product business. These poor guys can't even cover their measly web hosting fees. Some of them go bankrupt trying to get it off the ground. And maybe these sob stories have you thinking that selling digital products is some kind of a sham. Tell that to Bill Gates. Tell that to Amazon Kindle. Tell that to Apple iTunes. Because you know what? Those are the types of products I'm talking about. If you visit a marketplace like iTunes or Kindle, you'll see product creators killing it every single day of the week. You could be one of those product creators once you know the secrets for creating profitable products. And that's exactly what you're about to discover inside this exciting set of training videos. At last, you too will know how to create in-demand products that sell like crazy. So let me tell you what you'll find inside these videos. First off, you'll find out why this whole digital product business is the best business in the world. You can spend a month studying business models, but only one model is going to keep grabbing your attention again and again: selling digital products online. Inside this video, you'll find out why this profitable model is so popular and how you can start building your own digital empire with an astonishing variety of easy-to-create products. Next up, you'll learn how to recognize a hungry market. Here's the key to making a whole lot of money with your business. You need to find a hungry niche, and then you need to figure out what they're already buying. Then all you have to do is give them more of the same to virtually guarantee positive cash flow. So simple, yet so many aspiring business owners get this totally wrong. This video will show you what steps you need to take to do it right. This is the strategy that gives your business a profitable start. After that, you find out whether you should be creating these products yourself or outsourcing them. You see, some people are all over product creation like white on rice. Others freak out because the whole thing sounds so daunting. So the question is, should you create your product yourself or outsource it to a competent professional? By the time you finish watching this video, you'll know the answer to that question. Now, if you decide to put product creation in the hands of a professional, then you'll love this next video. That's because finding an amazing freelancer can be almost as hard as spotting a unicorn in the forest, unless you know these secrets. This video gives you a simple 3-step process for finding, vetting, and hiring a reliable person to create your products. If you like saving a whole lot of money and time, don't miss this training video. Next up, you'll discover the quick and dirty way to get your hands on quality products. Get this, you don't need to create or outsource every product in your sales funnel. One quick and easy way to get your hands on quality products is to purchase the resale rights or private label rights to them. But heads up, there are a lot of really bad resale rights products out there. I'm talking buggy apps, fantastically bad videos, ebooks that look like they were created by a toddler. The good news is you can avoid all these problems, and this video will show you how to locate the best products at the best prices. Next up, you'll discover how to create blow their socks off ebooks and reports. Listen, if you want to turn visitors into buyers and buyers into repeat customers, your content needs to impress your customers. It needs to totally blow them away. This requires two things. Number one, providing good content, and number two, keeping people entertained so they'll keep reading. Put those together and you've got an edutaining product. And this video reveals the 5 secrets of creating edutaining content that gets visitors and buyers coming back for more. Now, if you're looking for the big bucks, then you'll want to check out the training video that shows you the secrets of creating stellar videos. You don't need to be Steven Spielberg to create great videos. I'm sure it helps, but people will still buy your videos even if you don't have a professional video production studio and a multi-million-dollar budget. Just watch this video to discover the best video formats, how to present your content, and what kind of equipment you need. It's easier than you think. Next up, you'll find out how to create hot-selling software and apps. And the good news is you don't need to be a code geek in order to create software and apps that sell really well. After all, entrepreneurs like Bill Gates don't spend their days writing code. They spend it running the business. So if you have a great idea for an app, then you're going to want to watch this video. First, you'll find out how to create an app that people really want to buy. Then you'll discover how to put your team to work creating something pretty amazing. Check it out. After that, you'll discover the secrets of creating amazing live events that sell out. The best part of creating a live event is that you're actually creating two products. First, you can charge admission to the event itself. Then later, you can sell the recordings. Pretty sweet, right? Of course, the key to success is to be sure your event totally rocks. That's what this video shows you how to do. You'll discover the simple 5-step process for choosing a platform, setting up your webinar, and delivering content that keeps your viewers glued to the edge of their seats. And finally, you'll learn about the art of creating online courses that fly off the virtual shelves like crazy. If you're looking to add another awesome product to your sales funnel, check out a multi-part course. This format is an awesome way to deliver content because you get your customers faithfully reading every email you send, seeing your calls to action, and clicking on your links. Check out this video to discover the simple 3-step process for creating your own kick-ass online course. So here's the deal. Everything I've mentioned so far is just a taste of what you'll get inside this video training program. This is the foundation you need to set up a super successful business selling digital products. Because once you know how to create awesome products, then you'll know how to make money. So you're probably wondering what makes this program different than everything else out there. The reason this is the best product creation program on the net is because it was created by not one, but two of this industry's top product creation experts. These are two guys who've pulled down millions of dollars over the years by creating and selling their own products. They've created ebooks, videos, apps, webinars, and more across a whole slew of niches. They know what works. They know how to create super profitable products, and now you too can find out their secrets by getting your hands on this exclusive video training program right now. Listen, I know there are a lot of product creation courses on the web, but the vast majority of them were created by wannabes whose one and only product is about product creation. That doesn't make any sense. It's ridiculous. So if you want to know the truth about creating in-demand products that sell like crazy, then get the information straight from the real experts by ordering this course today using the buy link on this page. Best of all, if you order right now, you can lock in a low price. I can't guarantee this price will be available if you hesitate and come back later. So make the decision right now to create a successful business. Use the link below to order this video training program so you can finally find out how to create super profitable products. Click the buy button now to get started. You'll be glad you did.